Hello again, my friends, and I hope you're keeping well and safe as the winter comes to its peak, I suppose, and just before Christmas. I'm here to show you a box that I made for my son. It is not my idea. It comes from a Spanish lady's idea here, and she did it with Ciao Bella, and I've done it with Ciao Bella too. I've done my version of it, of course, and I didn't make the box. I got the box from actually Twiglets Box from a couple of Christmases ago that I kept. My son brought me over some Twiglets. Anyway, it's a nice round box, and it's I've used Ciao Bella too. It's called Modern Industry, I think. Okay, and it the lid is a bit wobbly. I think I need to put something more inside it to make it a little bit more fixed. It wasn't wobbly before, but I suppose time makes it wobbly. This is some of Tim Holtz's film, and the rest is from the collection. So I made the lid. I put some film around it because it's all to do with film and cinema, and my son is mad on the cinema. He acts, has acted in a couple of films and advertisements, so I thought that he might like this. So I've put a couple of tickets. This is all from the collection. This is once again Tim Holtz at the bottom. I've reinforced it with some clocks that come from the Ciao Bella. And inside I've put a number of different things. The woman made this kind of concertina photo album, and I copied that too. I mean, she gave us a tutorial on it, so obviously it was to make it ourselves, and I did my version. I haven't put anything in the pockets. She didn't put any pockets here or here, but I left the pockets free for him to do what he likes. And this opens like this. With these are all cutouts from the collection, and a few extra things put on with some glossy accents. I used a new type of glossy accents and I didn't like it very much. It was not the Ranger one, and it was a bit too liquidy. Anyway, these come out, and then you put photos in the places here. This should slide in and out from here, and I've done photo booklets. It's not going to go in because I'm filming. I've made photo booklets and just a photo mat. This is just a photo mat here. Okay, just a photo mat. I'm not sure that he will use it, but anyway, it's a little Christmas box for him. They are stuck in London, and now it seems that they are going to be locked down even further, no travelling. So I hope that this will at least give them, him and his girlfriend, a little bit of fun. So this opens out, as you probably imagine. Sorry, I don't think I can get it all in the camera. And then obviously you can have it the other way around. And as you saw at the beginning, I put that on the end. So it folds up this way as well, so you can open it like this. And it's the same, these are booklets. and photo mats here. So just to do some little extras, well, this is just a bit of cord that I made to tie around it. I thought because I put the cord here as well, that it was a nice little extra. Sorry, I haven't got this right. It's got to go this way, hasn't it? So inside the pots as well, I put a notebook. This is probably more useful to him. He likes, sorry, it's upside down. He likes to write a lot, and I've taken words from the collection, like this is, did I say it was Ciao, Bella, as well? Film, script, a couple of tags. This is a tag which you can open, and there's a little, well, if I can open it, typical. Okay, it's this side. There's a little notebook inside. It's the little secret notebook inside. Okay, and then I put the cast, and then the director. Okay, and then he can write. This is very good paper for drawing on, and even painting, and a couple of tags in the back, and just this are made up from the scraps, because I had to cut the notebook down to be able to fit things into the pot. I also made him a little flip-up book with the papers, and two teeny weeny little notepads too. Okay, which this says Hollywood and this one says Broadway. And that's it. I'm very pleased with my work, and a little bit more inspired than I have been all through the lockdown and things like that. I think I got a little bit, I don't know, when you have all the time in the world to do things, it's very difficult to get things done, isn't it? When you're madly rushing around trying, oops, I left that out, madly rushing around trying to get things done. You seem to do more things than if you got all the time in the world. And I think I kind of got a little bit disillusioned with making films all the time as well, and nobody particularly watching them. Anyway, I made it, and I'm very pleased with it. I think I'm going to put a little bit more paper inside so it fits properly like it should, and I hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stay safe. Bye.